Hey everyone, today's video is a cleaning video. So, yep, let's just get straight in and get to that cleaning. I am starting off here. I've already actually, picked up a lot of her toys, and you're going to see I'm going to put all of them in this basket so that she can access them easier and, when she wants to play. So I'm going to do that.
I said, stay the winter, darling. You said alright. You said it, I heard it, we felt it right. Inside.
I'm pretty proud of myself. I've been doing a good job of actually keeping up with picking up things and kind of getting back to my old self, where I try to keep the house, neat and tidy as much as possible, more than just letting it go, because that actually just stresses me out completely. And I've been trying to stay on top of things. So when I do clean, it's not such a big deal then.
I've watched my summers wither and die. I've watched my winters pass me by with not a sign of you, no, not here. You left me, you left me, you left me.
So now we had just been shopping, and I need to put quite a few things away and just clean up a bit of mess from making some lunch. And I actually still had some of the breakfast things I needed to clean up, but I'm just going to pack it all away and get this kitchen clean.
I've been waiting, I need you here, I need you here. It's frustrating now you're not here by my side. Oh, times are changing. I've been waiting, I need you here, I need you here. It's frustrating now you're not here by my side.
Now I've heard of some people using a vinegar mix. I don't know if it's just like a vinegar pot with water mixture on their stainless steel to get rid of streaks, and I've never tried it, but if you've tried a mixture like that, please let me know, because I would really be interested in trying it. Now Sparkle, our cat, has this water fountain. I'm just going to clean it out. I do clean it out. I replace the filter every month, but I'm also just cleaning it today because sometimes, biscuits get in there or things get in there. So I was just cleaning it out for her. Now I need to clean my fridge out. After coming back from the shops, it was really hot, and I just shoved everything in there. And I hadn't cleaned my fridge out in a little bit, so I'm just going to do that now. I'm going to just wipe everything, and things that may have been in the fridge a little too long, I'm going to throw away, and I'm just going to move it around to be more organized and a neater environment.
Bumper fender, what who cares when life's busy happening? Oh my dear, we gonna make it. Here's to the journey, there's no pilot here. We gonna free fall, we gonna take our chances.
One thing that is so frustrating in the fridge is that those shelving, how they catch all the little, especially onions, it catches all the things and it just gets stuck in there. So I'm moving my onions to the tomato box so it can catch the onion, when the skin kind of flakes. I don't know if any of you guys have maybe a suggestion of what you do to keep it clean at the bottom there, because taking the whole drawer out and cleaning it out, it's kind of a pain to have to do it all the time.
Oh my dear.
So everything's quite neat and clean and in order. And so when I open up my fridge, it makes it way more inviting to think about what I'm going to eat. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope it's helpful, and may you enjoy whatever you need to get done today, whatever cleaning or organizing. Maybe this will make it feel a little better. And yes, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.